spa spillway. The spillway from the spa to the pool is not high enough. What are suggestions to raise it? It is currently tiled. Can I add a layer of tile or question mark? The water is even with the spillway and only about an inch of the wall tile is covered. It is functional, but it would be nice to add a few more inches of water. I'm assuming they mean to the hot tub.
To the hot tub, okay. Probably the easiest way to do this, and I would think simplest for homeowner versus a professional who does this, is chip and remove that tile that's in the spillway and get some type of a stone that's 1.5 inches thick, 2 inches thick, whatever thickness you need. Even if you have to make take a piece of cardboard and make an actual shape of whatever that is, and then have a piece of stone cut to put in place, that would be the easiest solution, because then the water, once you mud that into place, the water would fill up to the top of the stone, adding another 2 inches to the pool, and then go out into the spillway. That would be the easiest solution. Again, you'll have to do a bit of a, either take individual stones and try to build it up that way, or make some type of a template that someone could cut you a piece of stone for that. You could chip the tile out and prep the concrete base and build a mortar bed up a few inches, replace the tile on the front, replace the tile on the back, and then replace the tile on the top as well. Certainly possible, more work to it, because now you have a facade of a front and a back that have to be fixed as well. That's why getting a piece of 2-inch stone and then leveling that and mudding it in place is just easier, because then your tile comes up to the bottom of the stone and the stone adds the 2 inches. Other than that, there's 100 different ways that you could kind of build that up and go from there, but depending on the material. But one of those two would be the simplest, and to me, it might cost a few bucks to have a piece of stone cut, but plopping one piece or even 2 pieces of stone in place would be the easiest solution to get that level. That way your hot tub fills up an extra 2 inches, and you get the desired look you're looking for. And if it's 3 inches, then maybe it's a 3-inch piece of stone, or if it's 1.5 inches, an 1.5 inch piece of stone. And then you have to think about that little bit, whatever it's going to be, you're going to need for a mortar bed to set it in place. So if you want 2.5 inches, you get a 2-inch stone, 1/2-inch mortar bed, now you're up 2.5 inches. If you want 2 inches, you get an 1.5 inch stone with that 1/2 inch mortar bed, gives you 2 inches. So hopefully that helps.